Hello, good morning. This is a response video to iseehaters winter storm. Well, as you can see, you can't see me now, but as you can see, it's very rainy. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear the rain, but I'm hearing it definitely because the umbrella makes clear sound. Yeah. It's the umbrella dance. It's really, I think, yeah. And this is a nice occasion to test out my new umbrella. It's like a newspaper. Oops, I forgot the thing is stuck. Oh well. So, as you can see, it's bad weather in Amsterdam. It's totally wet. My socks are all wet now. It's hard. But that happens. Alright. That's it for today. The weather forecast in Amsterdam, Holland. I hope you enjoyed the weather forecast. Well, it's time to go home. You can hear the rain. You can't see me now. Hold your umbrellas really good when it's windy, or just leave them home. Winter storm!